मैं आज आपको स्टॉक मार्केट में जो बेसिक चीज़ है, कैसे आपको स्टॉक को सेलेक्ट करना है। स्टॉक मार्केट में सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरत इसकी होती है। एक इंट्राडे ट्रेडर के लिए ये ज़रूरी है कैसा स्टॉक सेलेक्ट करें। ये स्टॉक डेली लिक्विडिटी के हिसाब से चेंज होते रहते हैं। दूसरी महत्वपूर्ण चीज है वेयर वी हैव टू इंटर एंड वेयर वी हैव टू एग्जिट। दीज टू थिंग्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस। स्टॉक सिलेक्शन के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हम ऐसा स्टॉक सेलेक्ट करें जिसमें लिक्विडिटी ज़्यादा हो। लिक्विडिटी ज़्यादा होने का मतलब है स्टॉक में वॉल्यूम ज़्यादा होना चाहिए। इस तरह के स्टॉक से हमें ट्रेड करने में आसानी होती है। सो फर्स्ट थिंग इज liquidity. The second thing is medium to high volatility. We should select the stock where those stock which have 3% upside or downside movement. These stocks probably we can select from Nifty 50 gainer or loser. The third thing is group followers. We should take those stock which have major role in index. जिसका मतलब ये है कि जैसे रिलायंस इंडस्ट्रीज है, वो क्या करता है, वो जो है पेट्रोलियम और गैस के शेयर को मूव कराता है। आईसीआईसीआई बैंक है, एसबीआई है, या जो है एक्सिस बैंक है, ये जो है बैंकिंग शेयर को मूव कराते हैं। महिंद्रा एंड महिंद्रा है। वी शुड ट्राई दो शेयर विच आर मोस्ट एक्टिव शेयर लाइक टाटा स्टील, भारती एयरटेल। भारती एयरटेल is telecom leader. So those kind of share we have to try for trading. Rule number 4, we should select those stock which are in the news. There are a lot of companies we have to track. Maybe their rating has been upgraded by international rating agencies or national rating agencies, or some company has got very big order like L&T may got one day before 10,000 15,000 crore order. So based on positive development, we have to see and select those stocks. The next part is where we have to enter, where we have to exit. This is very important for us. We must focus on that. First thing, we must trade with current trend. Market always move in waves, and we have to always trade with primary trend. If trend is uptrend, then we should take a bull trade. If trend is downtrend, then we have to take bear trade. Do not trade against trend. For that we can draw a trend line. The second part is trade with strong stock in uptrend and weak stock in downtrend. We have to trade those stock who move 2% up when index move 1%. So those stock we should try always with bullish mode, or those stock if Nifty is down 1% and stock goes down 2%, those stocks we should trade in bearish trend. Bullish trend means we have to long the stock. Bearish trend means we have to short the stock. The third major point is be patient and wait for the pullback. We should always wait. We have to buy stock at support and we have to sell stock at resistance. Ensure we get good bullish candle on support for going long, and we should get bearish candle on resistance. If support and resistance has retested, then that is one of the best trade. The fourth point, we should take always regular profit. For intraday traders, he has to always book profit in parts. Let's book 50% profit, then again book 25%, then again book 25%. The fifth point is, if market is range bound or sideways, do not take a trade, because in sideways or range bound market there will not be a movement, and if you take a trade, either bull or bear trade or short or long trade, you will always go into losses. So better to avoid trade in range bound. Usually market is range bound between 12 to 2 p.m. Market has good momentum from 9:15 a.m. to 11 a.m. Then again it has good momentum from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. You must always try to complete your trading by 11 a.m. Please avoid trading in second half 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. as you have only 1 hour remaining for trade. After 3 p.m. most of the people take exits from the trade. Most of the intraday trader exit. So I will again repeat. For stock selection, rule number 1, we must see always liquid stock or big volume stock. We must play to stock which is moving uptrend or downtrend, 3% or more than 3%. We can find those stocks from Nifty 50 or next Nifty 50 while closing of the day. We must try to play on stocks which are major stock and which have major weightage on movement of sector and index group. We must try to play in stock which are in news. For exit entry strategies, trade only with current intraday trend. Do not play against trend. Trade with the stock in uptrend. I mean to say, trade strong stock in uptrend and weak stock in downtrend. Be patient, always wait for the pullback. It means you buy always support and sell always resistance. You must have good volume, proper bullish candle as support and bearish candle at resistance. The trade will be better if support and resistance retest. Always take regular profits. Always book profit 50-25-25 ratio. When the market is tall, do not play. It means do not trade in range bound or sideways market, because that will eat profit. You take either short or long trade, you are going to lose money only. Tips for doing trade in multi-bagger stock. For multi-bagger stock, first thing is liquidity. You must see that the stock should have liquidity, proper liquidity. I mean to say huge volume, either sell side or buy side. The second thing is correlation between stock and indices. Stock should move in sync with indices. You look for the stock which are highly correlated with major sector indices. It means when there is a uptrend movement in index or sector, the prices of stock rises. Either vice versa. The third thing is follow the trend while doing intraday trading. You can always prefer to move with trend. Do not play against trend. If trend is bullish, then have a bull trade. If trend is bearish, take a short trade or bear trade. Research before trading. You must do research before doing trading. Always take Nifty 50, next Nifty 50 or highly liquid stock and work out on that